Global Outreach Program Singapore. Assalamualaikum and good day. Do you know that there are 7 graduate attributes that are being emphasized by UTM? The graduate attributes are communication skills, thinking skills, scholarship, leadership and teamworking skills, global citizen, adaptability, and enterprising skills. We have conducted a survey to identify what are the least developed graduate attributes among UTM students, and this is the result. It shows that adaptability and global citizens are the most chosen answer. So to overcome this problem, we have decided to conduct a program that will help students to develop global citizen and adaptability attributes. Our group members are Farhanum Ayuni, Amira Shafira, Avindrin, Jinesh Raj, and Nabila. This program is a collaborative program with students from National University Singapore to exchange experience and culture. This program is focusing on global citizen, adaptability, and communication skills. The reason for this program proposal is because we found out from another survey that most of UTM students never had an experience to join a program that involved people from other countries.
So here is the objective for this program. The first one is to share and gain different culture and knowledge among students. The second one is to increase student personal growth of self-confidence, social skills and independence. The third one is to create professional and career opportunities by networking with other students from the country. And the last one is to learn about the education system applied in National University Singapore and make comparison with UTM education system. So for this program, we are focusing on these 2 graduate attribute learning, which is global citizen and adaptability. For global citizen, we are able to keep updated with current issues in Singapore. Next, we are able to act ethically in making decisions and interacting with the community. Next, we are able to understand the impact of social, cultural, economic, environmental, and politics on professional practice. The last one is spiritual, grounded, compassionate, and caring. For the adaptability, we are able to adapt to the culture of new communities and work environment. Next, we are able to recognize potential for improvement. And the last one, we are able to initiate and implement change.
The activities involved for this global outreach program is first collaboration program with students from National University of Singapore, and students will visit National University of Singapore and find out the education system that lead them to be ranked as top 20 university in world. And then students will also find out the students and citizens culture from a talk session from National University of Singapore representative. And then students will also visit Land Transport Authority with NUS students to find out how Singapore managing their transportation very well. Students will also have a lunch together with NUS students to try the famous and traditional food in Singapore, and we will share our perception and Malaysian culture with them. The tentative program is first student will gather at S01 Dewan Astana and will having a breakfast, and around 9 a.m. student will be moving to Singapore by UTM bus. The student will be arrived at National University of Singapore around 10 a.m. The student will having a briefing for next activity and greeting each other. Student also will be having a welcoming speech by Amira Shafira binti Rizal, the program secretary of Global Outreach. And around 11 a.m., students will visit National University and their surrounding and take a walk on their environment and facilities. Around 12 p.m. until 1 p.m., students will having a break, which is lunch and pray time. And activity 1, which is talk session about students and citizens culture, will be held around 1 p.m. until 2:30 p.m. And at 2:30 p.m. until 3:30 p.m., the second activity, which is exchange education information and culture, which is the traditional food, lifestyle and celebration, will be held. The third activity, which is visit Land Transport Authority with NUS students, will be held around 3:30 p.m. and at 4:30 p.m. until 5 p.m. closing ceremony, and students will be moving back to UTM.
So for the budget estimation, the expenses of food and drinks will cost around RM200. Then souvenirs for VIP will be RM60, followed by the souvenirs for the participants from National University of Singapore, which is RM100. For transportation, bus rental costs around Rm 600 and the total expenses for this program is estimated to be Rm 960. We have made a survey for students to get feedback on our program proposal, and their responses made us to proceed this program. From the survey we know that majority of them, which is 59%, had never joined any outreach program which is collaborated with other countries. The graduate attributes that they think they will gain from this activity are adaptability and global citizenship. And when asked for the rate of interest in this program, majority of them voted for 5 rating and almost none of them had never voted for 0, 1 and 2 rating. So it means that they are really interested in this program, and this program should be done as soon as possible.
In conclusion, we hope that this collaboration gives a lot of experience for both sides and gain new knowledge from this exchange program. In addition, all support, commitment and encouragement from all parties is greatly appreciated, and hope that this program will run smoothly and meet all the objectives outlined. That's all from us. Thank you.